I dey salute all my country people them. Today the 1st of October 2020, where I dey live for Boya. Una fit see am na taxi that inside Boya. Na una countryman dey talk. Okana Sewi Clovis. Yes. So I dey presently live for inside Boya. We just see taxi pass. Today I say I be tell una say I go come live again for inside Boya. For come look my people. Una fit see how motor dey pass. Una fit see am. Na some motor that. Sorry, I don't show na taxi. I dey presently now inside Boya 220. I go put the camera as na look na Bongo Square this. Na some private car that the car, na motor that the cam. I be don't first show na taxi. I dey live inside Boya. Yeah. So I be tell una say me I go come for Boya. I go come live. Today I dey ask I say where them dey. I dey find Amber Boys them. I don't find all the diaspora them. Say today they say na they are so-called Independence Day. Una fit see am. So today me I dey live for inside Boya. I don't look so I don't find about I need to see am. I don't find them all way I need to see am. Yes, una bear with me. Ma just press camera. Na some taxi to that they come again. Yes, my country people. I don't talk say no. I don't be for you. I dey find my brother they call us say Amber Boys for diaspora. I say well, why they no can't join me now? But they can't join me for inside Boya. They ground zero now inside Boya. Yeah, as all they me. Una really see am. We just look where place to go. Una dey see am. So my country people, I already show na more see am. Definitely, I know say most of the people they sit there inside their houses and are just fear. And obviously taxi the pass, they carry people. Now evidence that and the reality. I like for show the evidence. I don't find my brother because I say Amber Boys entire. My brother them, my country people want ask when I say today the 1st October 2020 are they live. No be na record say na video na live are they inside Boya. I don't find them. So my brother then they. I don't know plan. I don't pass now which road. I don't know. I don't be so I don't tire. I say no man come over oxide. Man look what else some man can tell me play with. You know play with the Amber Boy power the pan of which road before they come for Boya here or na how. Because I don't tire. I don't find them tire. I beg any man where don't see them. Make them say they don't miss road. Make they turn back. That road goes on our war road. I beg. Make they do and quick here. I do wait them. So I tell them I say post them day. Where are the Amber Boy? Listen my people. Una fit bear with me say 2018. 1st October, no fly. Now only gunshot go tell you say come go by inside your house, sleep for ground. The one go tell you say very well say. Now just fear the worry our country people and some people them they live with that illusion say Amber be there at that time. Now not the people. So just get the confidence, come on, do your things. Feel free. So make people not stop for deprive for your own right for some kind of thing like the Google, the cry, the talk, you do this. Well. So I just kind of make everybody understand and see the reality. And I want to ask some questions them say, wait, how long way una go continue the fool on self? How long una go continue the record video them for 1 month ago, can post on social media, go edit picture them for 2018, put on social media, do kind thing. They not people understand say we will be don't do all these things them. We will be don't do them. Yes. How long una go continue? How long? So now if say I'm not destroy me. Yeah, I don't want to Bongo Square, the hat inside Boya, the hat. Say I be fishing on a flag go the fly by now, the kind of time. Man look time first. Now the same. Man look time first. Yes. Now permit me, man look time first. I get 11 minutes past 12 already for Cameroon time. Now 12 o'clock this for Cameroon. Precisely. So you had to watch me, you know, say we then have for 12 o'clock. For inside Cameroon. So I been inside Boya, at Bongo Square, people they know Boya very well. 90s. Yesterday I be there for my 18. I be there for my 18, the work at me, look place. Now in that, now the same people they feel are free. So you when you still live for that zoology, that fear when they want come out for oxide, you say you the I'm not there for my back. I'm not there for my back. No man not there for my back. You see no man not there for my back, like military. So my brother, that joker tell una say wait, una stop for the fool una self. Yes, stop for the fool una self, say una the fight. Now the fight for nothing, people are wasting your life for nothing. The best thing you can do is to drop that thing and save your life. I see the other one for AMF, then nana for night. People say happy independent. For who? Happy waiting for your own grave. I may don't die today. That fool one, I wait till they call your name. Then that don't sleep for day. I pity una life, I pity una life. So I don't catch on the reality of wait. Say nothing, no day. The people of Buea really appreciate una good work and appreciate the work of the military. The work that they do so well for this town for say and say team feed the worker normally. I really appreciate for everything. Yes. I thank una for una good work. It's not easy. Yeah, it's not easy. So don't want to tell you say automatically for 4 years today say the fight for independence. You never be able to take one bending corner to say you see the fight. My brother, I don't wait to na tire. Say more na come hang una flag and then they say what's that day? E come sako for that day. Chris Ano for that day. And now some of us on Taroka for na for Tano sooner. I dey go now for bush. That bush when Monja be there for Toledo on top the upside for that water. Una wait me for there at the camp. Yeah, una wait me for there at the camp. At the camp for that bush for Toledo. As I talk now, so I'll go do live broadcast inside that forest, inside that water. Una wait me for them, me at the camp. Or I don't inform una before time. No, say no. I be just can make I not be tell una at the camp. Una wait me. So my country people, I just can show the evidence. Now me at the sit talk, Clovis, now me this. My brother, them I tell una I like una. Una stop for the waste una life for nothing. Una stop for the waste una life. The reason I said this thing don't fail. It don't fail. I don't fail for good. Drop your guns and save your lives. Stop all the rubbish. Tell them say, hey, come and one man you can't boy, you can't fight. You never for Facebook yesterday, you make noise. Come for gang. Not because say people go die for nothing. You don't hear? So I just come ask and say where them they are find those so-called amber boys and you see them. I be tell them say any man will pass for upside today, me say papa only fine, make accommodate. So when they hear the small order, they respect themselves, they hide for inside bush. But me papa one tell and say wait him. Now only that fear the kill now. Take the courage, stand up and save yourself. People they come out, they do their jobs. You don't lose this for today. You say the fear waiting, the fear who? Who they? Now me did for upside where they there. So I don't just show now the reality. What I want to say, Clovis, that no problem. As far as even how many taxi to pass, taxi to work, na reality. People they work on a reality. You know, I don't show you evidence and fact. That one is show so waiting. Black leg, we are winning fatly. Yes, we are winning fatly. That's one of the part. We are winning fatly. Oh, Massa. Ah, Massa. Where? People then on talk Okada. Where? My brother them. Where, Massa? Where? I pity una, eh? So I thank una very much. I just say my cap passing little fine information for una. Wanna see everything, wanna see everything that the worker. But tell una say una countryman dey inside town, the worker for Ground Zero. Thank una very much. I dey come for that water now for do some live broadcast. Wait me for there at the camp for show na reality so na no dey. Thank you.